हमारे साथ इस वक्त दिव्या जी है जो ऑर्ट बालाजी से है। हम गंदी बात भी कर सकते हैं, अच्छी बात भी कर सकते हैं, वो मैं दिव्या जी पर छोड़ दूंगा। बहुत अच्छी मुस्कान है इनकी और इतनी अच्छी क्रिएटिव टैलेंट भी है। दिव्या जी, सो नाइस टू सी यू हियर एट इंडिया वेब फेस्ट सीजन 2।
It's good to be here.
एब्सोल्युटली। फर्स्ट थिंग्स फर्स्ट, हाउ डू यू व्यू दिस प्लेटफॉर्म? कितना अच्छा है स्पेशली फॉर कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स लाइक यू?
Uh, I think it's a great paradigm. It's a great platform because क्या हो रहा है ऐसे platforms से digital platforms को content creators को they tend to come together. They talk to each other. There is an expectation setting which is happening. People are talking about new ideas, new concepts. People, both sides are talking about the issues and trying to resolve them.
True.
So I think it's a great platform to mediate and talk to each other. And I hope WebFest prospers and we see more and more editions of this.
Absolutely.
Yes.
How do you view the digital boom that is happening in our country, and how do you see it progressing in the days to come, say in the next 3 to 5 years? Where will it reach?
So one thing I want to tell everybody, it's a cord cutting which is happening, right?
Okay.
Now that cord cutting is happening in phases. So there is already a cord cutting which has happened to a large extent in metros. I am what probably NCS will call a plus, citizen. My contemporaries, my counterparts, when I speak to them, they all turn around and tell me, oh, we don't watch cable or TV any longer because they are all hooked on to either consuming the news through.
मैं पकड़ता हूँ?
Is that okay?
I'll hold it.
Is that okay? They're already consuming news through the digital channels. They're seeing their content through Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, in few cases, alt shows like Aparan, etc. So they don't see any need to get on to cable or TV anymore.
Right.
It's passé now. So that part has already happened. Now, with the massification of OTT that we intend to do, and that will only happen through digital revolution of Geo spreading its wings, government chasing digitization across the country. I believe that when you can make content which is colloquial, which is regional, and which is good quality content available in cheap prices, which is what All Balaji stands for, why not? Yeah? There's going to be a huge revolution, and fortunately, India is sort of leapfrogging and cutting through the stages that China's already gone through.
Okay.
So India is literally leaping from stage 2 to stage 4, which is also good news and a good thing for
like a quantum leap,
platforms.
yeah.
Absolutely, it's a quantum leap which is happening right now. While 4G connectivity honestly is still a little bit trialsome, India is already moving to 5G. There are already conversations of 5G happening, which has already been implemented across the globe, right? So I think another 6 years, hopefully, we should be literally a country where I think in metros, semi-metros and tier 2 towns at least, there will be major cord cutting which would have happened.
Right.
And I believe that TV and digital will sort of coexist
Okay.
in tier 3 and rural areas. Because what's happening, if you look at the BARC data also, television is typically growing in tier 3 and rural towns.
Right.
The areas which have been, I would say, media down. Right? So that is the kind of growth I foresee.
Okay. Lastly, one OTT app that you have on your phone. I'm guessing I know which one. And one Indian original that you love watching.
I have on my actually phone all the OTT apps
Okay.
because they're all competition and I need to keep track. But the one I think that me, my family, my husband, we all sort of binge watch together. We have a connected device at home is Netflix. We really, really love watching their originals. And sorry, what was the next?
An Indian original that you love watching.
Aparan.
Upharan.
That's
Okay.
my app and my all-time favorite. I think that was one show which got us right up over there with people comparing us to Mirzapur and Sacred Games.
Right.
And I got calls from US, from Canada, from London, from Europe, people who I don't know, calling me saying, how can we saw the trailer, how can we download the app, we want to watch the show. So I still strongly believe good content is what is going to drive viewership, regardless whether it's Netflix, whether it's APV, whether it's alt, doesn't matter. Good content drives viewership.
Content is the king. ये सीख दिया है दिव्या जी ने. Thank you so very much. Lovely
Thank you.
talking to you. Thank
Lovely
you.
meeting you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.